Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a battery in your 2011 to 2014 BMW Mini Cooper key fob. And this key fob does take one CR2032 battery. If you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can purchase one. To replace the battery in this key fob, we need a small flathead screwdriver. And the first thing we're going to do is flip the key fob over. And there's a small slot here where we can put the screwdriver in and flip up to pop this back cover off. Once the back cover comes off, the CR2032 battery will come out. You can remove the old battery, take the new battery, and just place it up against this casing, and it kind of sits loose in there. And then we're going to take our top plate and we're going to align it back on. And the plate itself will actually help the battery seat. Press it till it closes together, and you're finished. And so hopefully this video helped you out in swapping out your battery in your key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.